love when a house smells lovely. Like, that's my thing. I want to walk into my house and be like, damn, is that my house? Hi, welcome to Skin First Daily. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mo. I love the way my house smells, and I do different things to get my house to smell divine. I wanted to share with you today different ways I make my house smell so beautiful, especially in these times where we're home all the time and like you just want your house to smell nice, to smell refreshing, to smell different. Like when people visit me, they always say, "Oh no, your house smells nice," and that's because I always have something burning, like either a candle, incense stick, air freshener, something. So today I'm bringing to you the top 3 things I use to make my house smell divine. Start with air fresheners. So right now, this fragrant mist from the Body Shop is actually one of my favorite. I use it in my bathroom, and I'm telling you, most air fresheners don't last in the bathroom. Like, you spray it, you leave, and within a few hours it's gone. But this one, it actually stays. That is why I like it. So the fragrance that I like is the Atlas Mountain Rose, the pink one. It smells so lovely. Oh, I just love the smell. Trust me, if you want your bathroom smelling like anything, you want it smelling like this Atlas Mountain Rose. Divine. So the second thing I like to burn is candles. I mean, who doesn't like to burn candles? Come on. I'm a big fan of candles. I like to burn candles, especially after cooking. I don't like my house smelling like food, especially because I'm Nigerian and you know our food is very rich. And I don't want my house smelling like efori road jollof rice for like the next few days or hours. So what I like to do is when I open up my windows, you know, to let the air out, it doesn't all go out, I light me some candles. Also, like, especially when I'm done cleaning my house, I like to light candles as well, because it just makes your house smell clean and just makes your house smell really, really nice. These are my 2 favorite candles that I buy at Marshall's. I actually don't know where else they sell it, but it's the DW Home brand. This one is actually my favorite, and then this one is my second favorite. I love the smell of this. I think I'm in love with sandalwood. I think like that's my thing, like that's my scent. I guess that's why I like cologne. I like deep perfumes. I'm not really into like all that flowery stuff. Citrus, and you know, I like sandalwood. It's very musk, you know, I just love it. So a lot of times I would light this candle, and then if, you know, I just want to change of scent, then I would use this one. The best, and it only cost $6.99 for this big jar. So this would last me a good maybe 3 months, because I don't burn it every day. I only burn it when I really cook. And the good thing about these candles is that they keep my kitchen smelling really nice for a few days or a week. But honestly, the smell is divine. So if you're looking for something for your house, go and pick yourself up a DW Home candle. You'll thank me. So the last one on my list is the incense stick. So on my trip to Jerusalem, there was actually an incense store, and when we went in, there was just something so calming, and like the scent was just, like it just made me so relaxed and so peace of mind. Like the whole incense store was so nice. So I ended up picking up a box of sandalwood incense, and I'm telling you, I use this in my bedroom, and this is what it looks like. So like that, and it honestly is the most calming thing ever. So of course I bought my favorite scent, which is sandalwood, and I told you I really like sandalwood. So this is called the Exotic Sandalwood Incense Sticks from Sandalwood. I would find the link and put it below so you can get it if you want to. This lasts in my room for weeks. I kid you not. I burn one and I can still smell it in my room throughout the week. Like the scent just sticks, it just stays, and it smells good. Sandalwood is a part of an Indian system of healing. Sandalwood has a rich, woody aroma which provides a relaxing and supportive environment for meditation and well-being. I told you, who doesn't love sandalwood? Like, sandalwood just kind of puts me in that realm of like calmness. Oh, I love sandalwood. And that is it. Those are the 3 things I use to make my house smell so divine and so beautiful and so relaxing. I'll put all the links below so you can purchase them if you want to. And trust me, I think my nose is actually pretty good. You would love the scent. If you are like me and you like more musky scents instead of more citrusy, I'm not a citrus girl at all. I'm not like a daisy girl either. I like musky, you know, like those really deep scents. And yeah, that's why I like sandalwood. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Before you go, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, like this video, and hit the bell so that you get reminded of when I put up new videos, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Yep, subscribe. Thank you again for watching this video till the end, and I will see you in the next video. Peace and love.